All right, so we're in the master suite, if you will. It's still wet in here. All the electricity's turned off in this room, so I'm not gonna worry about this. What I wanna do though is take you in the bathroom, start looking at some of the color choices that we're making, some of the things that we're talking about doing. How awesome is it? We got this door moved, it makes sense now. We walk in the bathroom, got our walk-in closet over here. We now have the toilet closet, if you will, the restroom where we can close the door off and have privacy in the bathroom. Take a look at the shower. Remember I talked about we want to have that appeal. We walk through the door. What's the first thing you see? First thing you see is the shower, right? You ever been to a nice hotel, if you will, where they have a really nice shower? You're like, wow, that looks amazing. That's the factor we're looking for here as well. So take a look at a couple of things that we're doing. This right here, our shower pan, we're looking at using this on the floor. Very unique, very cool, very modernized, along with tiling the shower up here, and then using something like this to accent and put some ribbons in here to break it up. We don't want to just have tile from floor to ceiling. That's boring, that's plain. So I just want to show you guys a couple of these different things. Take a look at what's happening in the bathroom. This is exciting stuff. This is gonna be a lot of fun.